In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a roadmap in teamwork.com, a powerful tool for managing projects and tasks, so you can keep your team aligned and stay on track with your goals. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create, update, and manage your roadmap like a pro. Stick around because I've also got some exclusive bonuses for you to access Teamwork for free, so don't miss out on that. To start, once you're logged into Teamwork, navigate to the roadmap section. If you don't see it in your sidebar, you can easily add it by customizing your dashboard. Click the plus icon to add a new section, and from here, you can start laying out your roadmap. A roadmap is a visual representation of your project's timeline, key milestones, and major deliverables. It gives your team a clear overview of what's coming up and how to prioritize tasks. The first step is to create a new roadmap by clicking on the Add Roadmap button. Here, you'll enter a title for your roadmap, like Q1 Product Launch or Marketing Strategy Roadmap. This title should reflect the high-level goal of the project, helping everyone on your team understand the overall objective. Next, you'll start adding milestones. Milestones are key events or stages that signify important progress in your project. For example, if you're working on a product launch, milestones might include design complete, development complete, and launch day. To add a milestone, simply click on the Add Milestone button within your roadmap and give it a name, date, and description. These milestones will then appear as vertical lines on your roadmap, making it easy to visualize progress over time. After adding milestones, you'll want to start adding tasks and linking them to the milestones. Tasks are the individual actions or steps your team needs to take to hit those milestones. For example, under the milestone Design Complete, you might add tasks like finalize mockups and review designs. To add tasks, click the milestone and then click Add Task. From there, you can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and provide additional details for clarity. One of the best features of Teamwork's roadmap tool is the ability to drag and drop tasks and milestones to adjust timelines as things change. If a deadline shifts or a task takes longer than expected, just drag it along the timeline to keep everything in sync. This flexibility makes it much easier to stay on top of things, especially in dynamic projects where change is constant. You can also set dependencies between tasks. This means that some tasks can't start until others are finished. For example, a finalize mockups task can't be completed until create initial designs is done. To set up dependencies, simply click on a task, select dependencies, and link it to the task it depends on. This feature helps prevent bottlenecks and keeps your team working in the correct order. Teamwork also lets you visualize your roadmap in different formats. If you prefer Gantt charts, you can switch to that view and see your tasks laid out with bars showing how long each task will take. This is especially helpful for larger projects where tracking multiple tasks can get complicated. You can zoom in and out on your Gantt chart to see the timeline in daily, weekly, or monthly views. As your roadmap progresses, it's essential to keep your team updated. Teamwork's comment section allows team members to discuss tasks and milestones, ask questions, and provide status updates. This keeps communication flowing smoothly without needing to leave the roadmap tool. At any point, you can also export your roadmap as a PDF or share it with stakeholders to keep everyone informed. Simply click the export button, choose your format, and send it off. It's a great way to present your project's progress to higher-ups without needing to pull together a separate report. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up a comprehensive roadmap in Teamwork that's not only easy to manage, but also keeps everyone on your team aligned and on track. As I mentioned earlier, you can access Teamwork for free through the first link in the description, and with that link, you'll get exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. So, if you're ready to take control of your project's timeline and ensure your team stays focused, go ahead and try out the roadmap feature in Teamwork today. Don't forget to click the link below for your exclusive extended free trial.